So guys, I just got back from the gym and this man and this man are making me make this video. So I just have to make this video before going back home to shower. Elon Musk thinks and behaves like a typical Igbo man. When I say a typical Igbo man, what I simply mean is that from what we have seen with Elon Musk, he wants to use little to achieve maximum. What do I mean by this? Elon Musk, on becoming the CEO and owner of Twitter, he fired 80% of the staff working at Twitter. 6,000 workers at Twitter was laid off when Elon Musk became the owner of Twitter. And funny enough, Twitter has become even more efficient. Twitter has been working perfectly ever since Elon Musk became the CEO of Twitter. The fun fact here is that even after Elon Musk laid off 6,000 workers, Twitter is still working perfect. In fact, Twitter is now working better. It's no news that this man here helped this man here to become president. You can argue behind your key pass if you don't accept this, but this is fact. Elon helped Donald Trump to become president. We all saw this from the campaigns Elon Musk was doing on Twitter for Donald Trump. And Elon Musk went as far as giving a lot of money out just for people to support Donald Trump. And finally, these two have achieved their goal. Donald Trump will be inaugurated as the United States president on the 20th of January 2025. Now to the main point, Doge Department. Doge Department became popular during Donald Trump's campaign. According to Donald Trump, the person that will head Doge Department is Elon Musk. And we all in the crypto world knows that Elon's favorite coin is Doge Coin. This is a coincidence that Elon's favorite coin is Doge, and a proposed department to be set up in the United States of America during Trump's regime is also Doge. And for those of you that don't know what Doge means, Doge simply means Department of Government Efficiency. The Department of Government Efficiency is supposed to cut down the cost of government operation in the United States of America. Remember when I say that Elon Musk acts like a typical Igbo man, using little to achieve more? Will Americans allow Doge Department to come to life? Because like I say, it's still a proposed department. But then, that is not the point. What does this mean for crypto? What does this mean for Dogecoin? Will Doge Department help Dogecoin skyrocket? We have seen in the past where Elon Musk made tweets about Dogecoin and Dogecoin pumped up. Now that they are in power, will Dogecoin skyrocket to the moon? Will Dogecoin blow up to maybe 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x? Drop your comments in the comment section. Honestly, I want to hear your opinion about this, and I also want to hear your opinion about Doge Department. Anyways, I'll be dropping other updates about Elon Musk and Donald Trump's relationship and what this means for the crypto space. For you not to miss out, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications. See you in the next video. Bye.